Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay a ticket online in Winnipeg, and it's all up to date for 2025. So make sure you watch this video till the end. First, let's get started to pay your parking ticket online in Winnipeg. Follow the simple steps. Step 1. Visit the official Winnipeg Parking Authority website, also known as the parking store. Step 2. Enter the required details from your penalty notice, like the ticket number and the date of the offense. Make sure the information you enter is correct to pull up your ticket details. Step 3. Review the ticket information that shows up. Double check everything and it's all good. Move to the payment section. Step 4. Now to complete the payment, use a valid credit card, Visa, MasterCard or American Express. Once the payment is done, make sure to print or save the confirmation for your records. And that's it. That's how you can easily pay a parking ticket online in Winnipeg. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.